Um, where am I? What's up, people of the internet? Hopefully it's not super freaking windy, and hopefully you can actually hear what I'm saying. Obviously it is windy, so hopefully whenever I view this footage, it's not just like But anyway, it's not like whipping or anything. Right when I said that, I started to whip a little bit. But anyway, it is a freaking beautiful day outside, and I am happy to be outside, even though I'm not feeling very well. I'm feeling under the weather. But I just bought this Nike Fuelband this weekend or so. Shows my memory is great. But anyway, I just bought that. It was on sale at Dick's Sporting Goods for $70, and I couldn't pass up the deal. Plus, I just really like the concept of it, and today is the first day I'm using it, so I decided I would stay outside for a while and kind of like walk around and stuff. But just had an idea. I'm gonna go inside, get my dog, bring my dog outside in case I walk around the house and my dog freaks out. But also, it would be good to kind of let my dog have some exercise and like appreciate the nice day as well. But before I do that, I think I might walk down to the stream because it's really pretty and I like to stare at it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, guys, I mean, just look how beautiful it is out here. It's freaking gorgeous. The sun is shining, the clouds are out. It's a nice old day on the farm. Okay. So I'm sure you can probably hear the water, but what happened is, I believe the past few days it's been raining here. Or maybe it was just yesterday that it rained, but it rained a good bit yesterday, and the water is higher than normal. So basically, this is the road that I live on. I know. A little sketchy. It's gonna be loud in here, obviously, but that current looks pretty strong. If you can see what it's like up there, it's usually kind of like that pace. Not that pace. So, I wouldn't want to fall in here right now. I could take a picture of myself, how little I am, like, next to this tunnel. But anyway, I don't know where I was going with that. This is kind of a swamp. But anyway, as I said earlier, this is the road that I live on, as in my parents' house. And I'm just kind of walking around. Our mailbox is actually at the end of our road because the mail people don't like to drive back to our house anymore because that is a one-lane tunnel, as you may have seen, and on one side is the water, on the other side is the wall. So, you know, here's some pretty wildflowers growing. There's some not so pretty poop in nature and a weird ass bug. Honestly, don't want to get much closer to that because it's kind of disgusting. It's such a nice day and feels like spring for once. There's a lot of traffic for some reason. People are probably gonna stare, but I like it. So, here's the mailboxes. Here's to hoping I don't get hit by a car. We have mail. Cool. What kind of mail do we have today? Probably some really terrible mail. So, interesting fact, my parents actually both work third shift, which means they work at nighttime, and they are both sleeping right now, which is why I don't want my dog to bark. So yeah, hopefully when I'm walking back up towards my house, my dog doesn't see me through the window and think, oh my gosh, rah 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 rah. So yeah, I guess we'll see. Back to that loud old stream again. It's really pretty to me. Hi boy, what are you doing? You like it outside? You like it out here, baby? You like it outside, boo-boo? You're a good boy. You're a good boy, aren't ya? So I'm trying to vlog with Bruiser right now, but I don't know if it's working or if either of us are even in the frame. Hi, Bruiser. Hi, Bru. He's such a good dog. Mwah. You're a good dog. Uh-oh, there's a tractor coming, Bill. So I'm gonna try to get the horses to talk to you guys. Thieves! Sunbun! Ew. Hi, guys. You gonna talk to me? Hi, Phoebes. Hi, son. You guys are pretty. Hi, Phoebe. Hi. Hi, Phoebes. Fun fact about horses, they don't usually like to be touched on their faces. So if I were to touch her face like that, usually they don't like that as much as they like being touched on the side. These birds are freaking me out. But anyway, they like being pet here on the sides of their neck rather than their heads. So this is Phoebe. She's pretty. Hi, Phoebes. And this is Sunbun. Sunbun! He's dirty. Hi, Sunny. Hi, son. You're dirty, son. You're dirty, Sunny. Did you know that? Did you know that you're dirty, huh? I think they want fed. You guys hungry, huh? You guys hungry? I wish you knew words. Okay, so I need to earn fuel, like Nike fuel. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do some like squats, lunges, push-ups, and maybe just that. Just laying in the grass with Bruiser. I don't know if you can see him, but he hates the camera, I think. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, boy. Bruiser. Real rude. I'm gonna get you. Oh, hi, buddy. What? You don't like the camera? How's that? No camera, just pagey. Just Paigey. Hi, Boo. I don't think he wants to cuddle. I'll cuddle with you. Mwah. Good boy. Good boy, Bruiser. Good boy.